Hello and welcome. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, and share. And let me thank you for sharing my videos, subscribing to my channel, because without you, I wouldn't be here. And I really want to thank you because I've been having some growth lately, which I greatly appreciate it. And again, I just really want to thank you for showing up for me and showing up for these videos. I really appreciate it. So let's get to the video. So today I'm going to be working on an 8x10 gallery wrap canvas. I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour. And what you're watching now is me flooding the canvas. Basically, I'm just blowing out my base coat. My base coat is a titanium white. Next, I will be making sure my sides are coated. So whenever you use, especially a canvas, make sure those corners are covered. Make sure your sides are covered. It helps your piece look more professional. So once I get all my sides covered, I will start adding my colors. And I'm just going to be using shades of blue today. The first color I'm going to be using is a Winsor blue with a little bit of black acrylic ink mixed in. And the reason why I did that is I wanted the blue to be as dark as possible to help give the piece some more depth. So I didn't want to overpower it, so I just put a few drops throughout the piece. I think I should have added some more. And then it is just the pure Winsor blue. I sometimes have a tendency of putting too much paint on my canvas, so this time I was trying to be very mindful of how much paint I was using. Then this is a light blue. And my last and final color is an ultramarine blue. I can't even speak today. So once I get my colors on my canvas, then I will go ahead and add some more white paint or whatever your base coat is around the colors. And what that does is help carry the colors across the canvas. I'll blow that base coat into the colors or over the colors, and then I'll blow it out. Once I have it blown out, then I will come in with the straw or some sort of blowing tool or a mini blower to get the shape that I really like. This one I struggled a little bit, and it was because of where it was positioned on the table. I couldn't get across the table, and I couldn't get on the other side of the table. So eventually I did turn the canvas around. I didn't want to turn the canvas around because too many times I've done that and basically tilted the paint off, or it didn't sit properly, it wasn't level, and then it ended up slipping. But eventually I did turn it around. It was pretty much level. So you'll be able to see the end result. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Creating is what I do.